What does it mean to be under oxygen stress? If you have not yet watched my previous video titled Branches of the Nervous System, I would really recommend that you pause this video, revisit that video, and then come back, because it will help you understand what I'm going to speak to in this video. So oxygen stress happens for many reasons, but during obstructive sleep apnea, when your body is not able to take in as much oxygen as what it needs, your body starts to build reactive oxygen species and pro-inflammatory markers. What does this mean? These are ultimately little messages that your cells send to one another saying, we don't have enough oxygen to do the things we need to do. And these messages activate your sympathetic nervous system, putting your body in a state of fight, flight, or freeze. This is ultimately a stress mode that builds up inside your body. This means that even though your blood pressure is meant to decrease while you sleep, and your breathing rate is meant to decrease while you sleep, your blood is trying really hard to move through your body by higher blood pressure and more beats per minute of your heart. So you have an increased risk of high blood pressure, chronic high blood pressure called hypertension, cardiovascular diseases like stroke or a heart attack risk increases. Your chance of getting diabetes increases. You may be more prone to insulin resistance. And these are just to list a very small number of outcomes that could happen with sympathetic nervous system overactivity. So to recap everything, during sleep, if your body is not able to get as much oxygen as what it needs, it creates reactive oxygen species or pro-inflammatory markers that signal to the body we need to be in a state of panic. This increases your heart rate, your blood pressure, your hormones that relate to stress. It decreases your ability to regulate your appetite hormones and your fullness hormones. Your blood sugar gets disrupted. Your cognitive function or your mental function is compromised. And this means that your body is not able to recalibrate what it means to be in rest and what it means to be in activation. So sympathetic overactivity is really a huge reason as to why your body is more prone to cardiometabolic risk factors if you have obstructive sleep apnea. So thank you so much for watching this video, for learning about the sympathetic nervous system and how oxygen stress is increasing the risk of cardiometabolic diseases for people who have obstructive sleep apnea.